Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well, and in this video today I will show you some amazing crochet patterns for door stoppers. You can cover your door stopper with crochet patterns and it will look so beautiful and elegant and doesn't look so messy. You can put anything to it, any heavy thing to it. If you don't have a door stopper, you can add anything, any solid material into the crochet cover, and yeah, that's all. Your house and your doors will look so beautiful and clean, and as well as it will give a so elegant look regarding the carpet and doors and combination for both the house interior. And if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite door stopper and the favorite crochet pattern. Thank you.